This video takes you through the key stages of configuring Appogee Leave to ensure you're set up and ready to use the system. The first step is around configuration, setting up your leave and sickness types and importing public holidays. To set up leave and sickness types, go to Process Config. We have provided you with a list of default leave types. You can use these, edit them, or create new ones. There are a variety of settings within each leave or sickness type, so check that you are happy with these before saving any changes. Now from Leave Admin, head to Public Holidays. You can create different public holiday profiles if you have employees in multiple countries or locations. Either import your public holidays from a list of examples we provide, or use an iCal file to import them manually. The next step we would recommend is to set up your work profiles. These are the configurations which determine your employee working patterns, leave and sickness allowance, and any additional leave settings such as length of service. Again, from Leave Admin, open your work profiles. We have provided one for you, which is called Full Time. You can make necessary changes to this one or create a new profile. You'll need to create one profile for each of the scenarios you have in your organisation. There are lots of settings within the work profiles, so work through each tab systematically to ensure you've got everything you need to set up. Now we're going to set up our teams from organisation. At this point, you have not added any employees to the system, so we can't set any managers yet. However, it is important to get your team structure ready for when you import your users. Create your teams by giving them just a name initially. We will make other changes later. Now that we have work profiles and teams set up, you can add employees. You can either add employees manually or in bulk via a template. For setup, we recommend the bulk import as it will save you time. Download the template and complete it with your employee names, email addresses, teams and work profiles. Employment start date and job title are not mandatory fields, but they are recommended. Save this file as a CSV and import the data. If there are any issues with the data in your spreadsheet, you can make changes on the tool. At this point, you can choose whether to grant access to the system and send out welcome emails to your employees now, or to do it at a later date. Now that everybody has been added to the system, we can set up approvers and managers and make any changes to the teams. You can set up a different approval flow for leave and sickness, or just copy them over. It's also possible to set up multiple levels of approval too, if you need. Finally, if you haven't set out the welcome emails, you can do this in bulk from Roles and Access. Now you're ready to start using Appogee Leave.